from cooking oil, waste cooking oil. To dishwashing soap. I made my soap from used cooking oil to dishwashing soap. So I've recycled my cooking oil. I recycled it and I turned it to wonderful soap that I use at home to clean my dishes, the floor, and the toilet. Look at it, is it not beautiful? Don't throw your waste oil. Please recycle it. Make it useful. Make it useful. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you want to watch me make this soap from scratch, please subscribe to this channel and turn up the notification bell. Also, it's very economical. It doesn't take time. It's not expensive to do. With just little amount of waste oil, you can make a lot of soap out from it. Thank you very much, guys, and have a nice day. Stay blessed.